but, however, nevertheless, so, therefore, hence, and, moreover, furthermore, very big, gigantic, very clear, obvious, very tall, towering, very tired, exhausted, very careful, cautious, very creative, innovative, very clever, intelligent, very crowded, bustling, very happy. Let me know in the comment. Refuse. Turn down.
You turned down Collins?
Okay, please turn it down.
Make a mistake. Mess up.
I'm messed up, Red. I'm real messed up.
Dude, don't mess this up.
Mess what up?
Invite on a date. Ask out.
You're asking me out? He asked you out? He asked me.
Make sense. Add up.
Didn't add up.
It adds up.
A university. An hour. An apple. A uniform. An umbrella. An honor. An honest person. A European trip. A used car. An FBI agent. Turn on. Turn off. Get in. Get out. Hang out. Break up. Put out. Pick up. Throw away. Whatever. Great. Got to go. No problem. Hugs and kisses. How are you? Wait. See you tomorrow. I miss you. You never know. Just for fun.